Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of my ear training videos. If you did not see the first video or are new to ear training in general, I advise you to check out the first video before you continue. The link is up here and in the description. So let's get creative. So last time we focused on how to sing and recognize the different intervals. But now we're going to put them into context, which in this video is scales. Scales are also extremely important because we can already start making melodies with them, and also by stacking thirds on each scale degree we can actually even make chords. But let's not waste time and let's get to it. Tip number 1, singing different scales. So this exercise might seem like an obvious one, but it's definitely very useful to sing different scales, upwards and downwards. And I advise you to not only stick with the major and minor scales, but even try some modes, or maybe even the harmonic minor or melodic minor. Or maybe if you're feeling lucky, you can even try the whole tone scale. So how I would approach this is, again, I choose a root note and then I sing the scale upwards and downwards. But when I sing, I also mention the scale degree that I'm on. Let's try some scales. Oh, and you should not mind the singing. This is the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try the minor scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try the Dorian mode, which has the minor third but the raised 6 in it. Again, root note is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think you get the idea. Exercise number 2. Combining different scales. What I mean by that is that we sing, for example, the major scale upwards, but then we sing the minor scale downwards. Let's give it a try. Again, my root note is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or what we could do is sing the Dorian scale upwards and sing the harmonic minor downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can really be creative and make some strange combinations. So this third exercise I call semitone up to the octave. So again, play the A note, or actually any note that you want, and memorize it, because this will be the note to which we will relate all our other intervals. So what you do is sing the root note and then move upwards a semitone. And then sing your root note again, and then again move a semitone upwards. And you do this until you reach the octave. And you do the same downwards. Da 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 da. And what can help focusing is when you again sing the scale degrees. 1, 8, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So exercise number 4 is a difficult one, but it's also a fun one. It is singing a string of intervals. And what I mean by that is that you stack the same interval upwards or downwards. For example, you can sing a string of minor third intervals. Or for example, a string of perfect fourths upwards. Da 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 da. So scales and strings of the same interval are definitely more fun to sing, and also they give you more room for experimentation, for adventurous exercises. And you can already start to hear some music in them. It's especially interesting when you start mixing different scales in your practice routines, as I just showed you, singing one scale going up and singing a different one going down, or practicing all the different intervals, stacking them on top of each other. Really, you can get as crazy as you want. And I promise you that you will not regret practicing this. So while you're already starting to become proficient in your ear training, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And for now, see you next time.